Ну, привет, народ.
We see that Ukraine is really showing how they have mastered drone warfare. We see a report a few weeks ago where Ukraine is able to retake territories without using infanteri. And we see as well in NATO exercise that you are able to defeat 2 NATO battalions using drone warfare only. How can you say the roles of drones on the battlefield and how Ukraine has mastered that?
In our modern world, war is not as it was before.
Yes.
It's not only soldiers fighting on the front line, not even like some tanks battles. On one hand, the technologies, especially drone technologies, they help to save lives.
Yeah.
On another hand, these technologies also show that there is threats even far from the front line. Ukraine always was famous for its mind, for its technologies and developments. Currently, the world already saw how Ukrainian technologies developed and how fast and how far. Even within the situation in the Middle East, I think everyone noticed that first days of the crisis, our president already paid a visit to some of the Gulf countries and proposed that support. And our partners already said that it was really helpful. Because currently no one has such experience and such technologies as we do.
And we also have a report a few days ago about the Ukrainian drone strikes on the Tuapse port and the refinery area on the Krasnodar Krai. And it's what can you say about this future of warfare, especially how middle-sized countries are able to face large aggressors today with the use of drone technology?
I think that's also a very important message that we want to deliver as not huge country. We are not small, definitely not small country, but comparing to size of some countries, we are much smaller. But at the same time, we see that even a smaller country might resist with the support of partners, with the technologies. And as I said, it's not anymore the fight between the soldiers, between the troops on the battlefield. Talking about oil refineries, some reports say, like recent, that we already damaged 40% of Russian oil refinery capabilities. But why we do this? Because Russian oil is the mean for them to prolong the war. By exporting its oil and gas, they earn money, and this money are used to fuel the war, to produce more weapons, to buy more weapons, and then to use it against our country. That's why for us, oil refineries and factories legitimate targets.
Yes.
Definitely.
To what extent do Ukraine's drone sales to Gulf countries demonstrate the competitiveness of Ukraine in the global defense industry? Because now Ukraine have shown that they are very capable in drone warfare. And how do you see that the drones of Ukraine or the AIs of Ukraine will influence the global defense industry?
It definitely will.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm not that expert to give you concrete numbers now, and maybe no one will be able to give that numbers exactly at this moment. But with the Middle East and our cooperation with Gulf countries, we already see it, and with all the interests, also we already see it. Currently, unique thing about Ukraine drones is that it's not only developed, created and showcased. It's already used. It was proved at the battlefield. So it's not something hypothetical or theoretical, it's practical usage.
Yes, so like you will see that Ukraine will sell more drones and also anti-drone technology in the future.
Absolutely. We are already working on some agreements, some contracts. Of course, our national security is the
Yes.
main priority, but
course.
at the same time, we are already working with some other countries to be ready to export our technologies and our drones to them for strengthening their defense also.
And robots and AI, do you see that Ukraine will be leading on that part as well?
Definitely.
Yes. That's-